Now we're adding a fraction to a mixed number, but this time we're going to get our answer by first changing the mixed number into an improper fraction. So 1 times 5 is 5, plus 4 is 9. So 9/5 is the same as 1 4/5, and we're adding 7/10. But to add fractions, we need the denominators to be the same. So we need to find a fraction equivalent to 9/5, which has a denominator of 10. That's 18/10, because to find equivalent fractions, we use multiplication. 5 times 2 is 10, and what we do to the denominator, we do to the numerator as well, and 9 times 2 is 18. We're adding 7/10 to that, and we have a common denominator, so the denominator stays the same in our answer, and 18 plus 7 is 25. So, as an improper fraction, our answer is 25/10. But we can turn that back into a mixed number by dividing. 25 divided by 10 is 2 remainder 5, and the denominator stays the same. So our answer is 2 5/10. Now we have 2 7/8 plus 1/2. We can change 2 7/8 into an improper fraction. Remember, we multiply the whole number by the denominator and then add the numerator. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 7 is 23, so that's 23/8 as an improper fraction. We're adding 1/2, but to add fractions, we need the denominators to be the same, so we need to find a fraction equivalent to 1/2, which has a denominator of 8. So we can rewrite our question as 23/8 plus 4/8. That's equivalent to 1/2 because 2 times 4 is 8 and 1 times 4 is 4. Now we have a common denominator, so that stays the same in our answer, and 23 plus 4 is 27. So as an improper fraction, our answer is 27/8. If we want to turn that back into a mixed number, then we can divide 27 by 8. That's 3 remainder 3, and the denominator stays the same, so our answer is 3 3/8. So let's think about what we did here. For this first question, we started with 1 4/5, and we were adding 7/10. We changed 1 4/5 into an improper fraction, so into 9/5, but because we were adding tenths, we needed to change those 9/5 into 18/10. When we put that together with the 7/10, we got 25/10, and then we turned that back into a mixed number because 25 divided by 10 is 2 remainder 5, so that's 2 5/10. Then we had 2 7/8, and we were adding 1/2. 2 7/8 is the same as 23/8, and 1/2 is the same as 4/8. So when we put that together, we get 27/8, but we turned that back into a mixed number by dividing 27 by 8. That's 3 remainder 3, so our answer is 3 3/8. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.